Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Jaguar. So from any screen, if you were in any of these audio or whatever, just click the home button. Then you've got the menu up the left hand side, click navigation. If it's the first time you've clicked navigation, it will ask you to click agree to say you're not going to be distracted. You've got destination and entry down the side, so if you just click that, that menu goes off again. If the menu's not showing, little button here on the left hand side, click there, menu, destination entry, address, place of interest, postcode. So we want postcode, there you go. And actually I've just realised where I turned the fan down. I just realised where it's coming from. It's the air conditioning coming through the seats that's making that hissing noise. I'll turn it off in a minute. But anyway, back to this. So postcode, we are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5. Now we need to put a space in because it's only a 2-digit number. So space 4JS, and then we have to click OK. So that's PR5 4JS, click OK. Then you've got destination down here. So you've already told it that's OK. Now you've got to click destination. Then you've told it's OK, you've clicked destination, now you're ready to go, you've got to click start. So it's about, there's 2 steps too many there, but
the highlighted route.
they're all the same. So we'll just go back onto menu now. I'll be going home in a minute. Navigation settings, you've got voice guidance there, and I can knock the voice guidance off or cancel guidance here, whichever you want to do. You can always come back to it if you just cancel the voice. So that's how to set the sat nav.